So in this tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to check your deleted search history on Instagram. So it's very simple, guys. For you to do this, just come to your profile. Once you're in your profile like this, click on this hamburger icon up here. So there are two ways to go about it. I'll be showing you guys the first way right now. Then click on account center. Once you click on account center, then you click on your information and permissions. So the first way is for you to click on where you have search history right here. You can see that beneath export your information. So once you click on search history, then over here you get to see all the searches you've done in the past. So tap on the account which you want to see the search history. I'll just tap on this. So right here on this account, there's no search history recorded on this account. So the second way to go about it is, peradventure you're not seeing what you're looking for right here, just come back, then you go to where you have export your information. So once you click on export your information, click on create export, click on export to device. Are you following me, guys? By the way, if you are new on this channel, my name is Charles Chinosu, and right here we talk about ways you can make money online and how to tutorials. Do it to like this video, drop a comment, and also subscribe to this channel. So once you're right here, just come to where you have customized information. So you can see there are so many informations right here. Click on clear all. Once you click on clear all, then you look for where it says recent search history. So look for that and just tick that alone. So I'll click clear all right here again. Clear all. Clear all. Can you see it? Recent searches. Can you see that? So just tick on it. Once you tick on it, then you click on save. So then you come over here and choose the date range. Also choose the format and media quality. Then go ahead and click on start export right here. Ensure you've added your email over here. That's where they will send the information to. So click on start export right here. They ask you to like put in your Instagram password so that you can continue with the whole process. I'll click on continue right here. Can you see it is already rolling? Your information is being prepared for export. We'll let you know when it's ready. So once this is ready, it will be sent to the email you indicated right here. And that's basically how you go about checking your deleted search history on Instagram. So I believe you got value. If you did, do it to like this video, drop a comment, and also subscribe to this channel. I'll be seeing you guys in my next tutorial. Bye, guys.